Hello and welcome. I'm Rabby Hassan from Online Money Carrier. It's my second face cam video. That means I have something serious to say about. Yes, it's so serious and it's a very big announcement. Okay, I'm going to teach 15 to 20 people digital marketing. Yes, I will teach social media marketing on the course. The main thing is the course is 100% free. It's free of cost. You can also join the course and the course is free. Now the question is, sir, the course is free, that means there is something tricky on that. Okay, let me clear you that I will teach 15 to 20 people, not 100 and 100. I'm just going to teach 15 to 20 people, the lucky guys, and I will teach social media marketing, the all types social media marketing, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, all types of the top level social network site. I will teach those guys. Yes, the social media marketings, and the guy have to work with me. Just because if they don't work in practical, then what they will learn from a video, obviously. So if you are a new if you are already a subscriber of mine, then you know that many day I just share many things, and I just ask people to come to me and work practically. That's my style to work. That's my style to help newbies. Actually, if you don't work practical, then you are not able to be a perfect guy, the perfect marketer in the market. If you want to learn the market, obviously you have to learn it perfectly. So if you want to join my group, and if you want to be the manager of my digital marketing group, then you can join my group. And the most important thing is, only the lucky 15 to 20 guy will be my team manager. Yes, I will teach the 15 or 20 guys personally the digital marketing, and after the qualifying round, they will be just perfect for managing my team. That's it. So that's it for now. That's it for today. That's the announcement. And if you interested, if you want to join my group, and the link is in the description box. All the condition is there. Interested, and the main thing is, you don't need any money to join it. You don't need any to enroll the course. You don't need anything to contact with me. You don't need any money. It's really free of cost. So if you're interested, you can join. The joining link or the description, the link on the description box. You can check it out, and just check it out, man. If you are a lucky guy, then you have a chance to learn social media marketing, the very, very, very expensive thing, in free. Yes, you can be the lucky guy. So that's it for now. I'm Rabby Hassan signing off for now. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye. Till then.